What's up, guys? Back at it again. Kenny says Bicentennial Woods, I think it said. I can't remember the name of this trail. I think it's Bicentennial. I'm not sure. Yeah, we're gonna go this way. We always come on the rainy days. All flowers. It is a good day though. A bunch of houses over there on the other side that you can see. Oh, look. You can go this way or this way. No, let's go this way. We can always, we can always come back. Look, way down there. There's another trail. Oh, never mind, that's a tree. Holes, groundhog holes, looks like. And we're not doing it in the winter, so it's a lot more nature-y. But I mean, we can do winter videos too.
That's what we were just doing. That's how we started. It was cold, nothing. Now it's all green. Summer's coming back. It's cold and raining.
But we do it for you guys. Right. This is why we do it on wet and rainy days. Oh, look at that. Bridge action. Going down this hill. Watch out, because you might fall. Yeah. You hear it off the trees?
Yeah.
Listen. Yeah. Well, it's concrete, so I mean, I would hope. Look at the little stream. Okay, well, I didn't mean to show that. Look, you can go this way or this way. Let's go this way. What? There was a graphic picture on the oh, look, that was a black squirrel. Dude, that was an all black squirrel. Yeah, I've never seen an all black squirrel. What? Look at all the flowers. Tree up over top of us. That's not a sketch. It is starting to rain a little bit harder. Root. Yeah, we've seen a lot of cars. Look at all the mushrooms. I don't have to wipe my camera off as much, but still want to wipe it off right there. I like the overgrowth. Like, I like it more than I like ones that are like bare.
360. Oh, yeah, we're surrounded by nothing but roads all the way over there.
Look, cars going by. Yeah, we are by a road, so sorry if you can't hear us very well. We go deeper into the woods, so see if you can hear us deeper down. Low bench right here. I don't know, but look at this. It looks like a building. It looks like there's a building like right there. Might be a house. No, it's definitely. Oh yeah, it's a house, maybe, or a building for something, company. Look at these big old plants or weeds, whatever you want, whatever they are. It does. You hear the birds chirping.
It's not clean. You gotta go back to Lindenwood and see what it looks like with all that stuff. We went there and it was dry.
I think it was still. We had coats on, I think, that day. Because it was so cold. Yeah, we've seen a lot of cars here, but we don't see a lot of people on the trail.
I haven't seen that one person.
It is definitely rainy.
Rainy, but looks good.
Like a big old tree.
We're in the middle of the path.
Yeah. See, we could either go that way. Well, this is the only way. I thought we could go to the left, but there was nothing over there. You might hear the rain getting a little bit heavier, bouncing off the trees. Trying to keep the lens clear for you guys, but every time I wipe it, it just gets more wet. Little path for me. See, keep going down and down and down. And we don't know where this goes because we've never been here. Yeah, you probably did. I almost fell.
You're always the one almost falling.
Yeah, well, what can I say? I'm a klutz.
Look at that. Tree right in the middle of the path.
This is kind of cool, though. It's kind of cool.
This is like relaxing.
It is relaxing. It literally, if you're having a bad day or and you just come here and you just walk around or anywhere, it's just so relaxing and peaceful. And this is why I love doing this, because if you guys can't do it, I'll do it for you. Just grab your popcorn, your candy, pop up on your bed and watch this. Look, now we're going down. See?
Steep.
Yeah, it's a little steep. A little steep hill.
So I say big steep.
Oh, wow, look. It just keeps going down.
Yeah. Look how wet that branch is.
Yeah, I know. I was going to say, look how wet that thing is. Looks like the hill. No, we came in the right way.
We did?
Yeah. There's no right or wrong way. There's a bunch of different ways that you could have went.
There was only 2. Oh, no.
There was like 4.
Yeah, at the start there was only 2, but once we got farther in.
I thought there was 4 at the start and 2. I don't know. It was something like that. Close enough.
Are we doing the other trail too?
You can. Or we might do a part 2. I don't know. Haven't decided yet. Oh, starting to rain harder.
Raining harder.
It's definitely raining harder.
Make it drop for real.
Look. But it's all good. Rain ain't gonna take us out. Especially for making a video for you guys.
Have you ever filmed when it wasn't wet?
I have no idea.
We always pick
Hey, if you guys know any trails that are in Fort Wayne or Ohio or Michigan close enough, drop the comments in the comment section and let us know if you know any trails around like the Fort Wayne, Ohio, Michigan area. I mean, we're probably gonna start traveling soon because we're running out of places in Fort Wayne. But you know how Fort Wayne is. They don't really have anything good anyways. But we try to do it for you guys. We can go right or left. That's what I was thinking.
That looks like he goes back up there. That looks like that trail that we were going down before that steep hill.
Go down there, but it's a little too crazy for that. You can go that way or that way. We're gonna go this way, but check that out. Check it out.
This way too. You know, in the water.
What's that?
Yeah, what is that? You see that too?
Yeah, it looks like a branch.
You don't want to go that way?
What way? No, just we can keep going this way.
Yeah, where's everybody at?
I don't know. I mean, I'm guessing it's a pretty big forest or trail, but I'm not sure.
Yeah, we saw like
Look at that. I mean, we saw like a pretty good maybe 5 or 6 cars here. We just don't see anybody, so I don't know how big it is. Little hole in the ground. That's cool. I like that. Little creek.
Oh, that looks like a bridge.
Where?
Ahead of us. Yeah,
Might be.
a little bit of bridge action. Look at that. Wait, see that bridge? Yeah,
Yes, sir.
a little bit of bridge action, y'all.
Yep. Look.
2 bridges, 1 video. I heard that's good luck. Good for me.
Look, it goes across the water.
Yeah. Can we go in the water though?
But we could go this way,
Bridge.
or we could go that way.
Bridge is looking like the
But let's Let's go ahead and walk across this. This is how far it goes down. It's crazy. It's huge. Look.
Left to right.
And you got the runoff right there. You can go left. Well, this one says trail closed. So we'll just go this way. But look at that. Oh, dude. You almost wiped out. He wants to talk about me always falling. Karma almost got him. Jaden, look at these steps, bro. Look at this, guys. This is kind of cool.
Yeah. Very cool. You got that on camera?
Yeah, you almost falling? This is kind of cool. We never really see this in the forest or on trails or anything.
Right?
Yeah, but I almost fell, but not like that. Trail closed. I'm assuming you can go that way. But we're just going to keep heading this way. Look at that. That's cool. All the designs from like the trees. Look at that. I don't know. I think it's mushrooms.
Is it a tree?
Maybe. Well, yeah, they grow in trees too.
That's where they come from?
No, they come from anywhere. Look at him. He's a fast little guy. Come from the ground, trees, wherever. Big old puddles on the ground. Way down there.
That's where we was, and that was all the way up here.
All the trees, the plants, flowers. It just still goes. Which is fine because it gives you guys a longer video. Because usually when we get to the end, we're just like, all right, that's it. Look at that.
Spider face on it?
Yeah.
I might have to use my thing. Might have to do the picture for it.
I don't know if this is a way that you can go or not. But
That's pretty steep.
looks like a way that I'm not taking.
Looks like the one I'm gonna take.
Yeah, you almost fell again. That's the second time. See, karma keeps getting you. You keep talking about me, it's like, all right, I'm gonna show you some stuff. That's kind of a steep hill. I said steep, deep.
You don't really make sense when you talk.
Huh?
You don't really make sense when you talk.
Neither do you.
Nah. I wouldn't say that. You see that white flower thing?
Well, I would say that.
You see that white flower?
No. Oh, yeah. Watch out for that big old puddle. Trail closed. Another one. So I'm guessing you can go that way too. Oh, here comes the rain again. He wants to stop. That's a big old tree. It's Fort Wayne. What do you expect? We got crappy weather. Like there's where you guys got nice videos, and then you guys got rainy videos, and then you guys got just where videos where we're stepping in puddles of rain.
You going down?
There's no trail. They put that up for what? Look at that.
Let's go down. You wanna go down here?
Go ahead.
You coming?
No. Because I'm going to finish the trail. These are steep hills.
Yeah. You wanna go tumbling down?
Yeah. You go first, I'll roll you down. We can either go straight or left.
To your left.
I think I'm going left. I think that was what I was going to pick anyways, so. Could have went that way.
That might be that
But
big steep hill.
we're just going to go ahead and choose this way.
Look at all this. Look at that. Good view. Yeah, you can live out here.
Look at all the trees. You know, I didn't grab a map.
Here's Matt.
So, if we get lost, I don't know where I'm going.
I know where I'm going.
I mean, I'll definitely find the way out, but I just don't know where I'm going right now.
I do. You want the
Big hole in the ground.
Should we go in there? You go first? Oh, good.
Look.
You gotta do abandoned videos too.
These trees are crazy.
You hear me though? You hear me?
Yes, I heard you. I'm not doing it if it's gonna get us in trouble, so.
I was gonna do it at nighttime, bro.
Well, nothing. It is so cold out. So cold out, guys.
We're closing the house earlier too. What is that? Ew.
Look at this.
Look where we're going.
It's like a dirty swamp.
Yes. It's terrible.
The geese don't even want to swim in it. Like, that's dirty water. Dirty water. Dirty swamp water. For a minute, I looked down at my camera instead of looking up. When I turned back around, I thought this tree was a person. I thought that was a person.
We should do a survival video.
Yeah. Should do a survival video, is what he says. Never survived a day in his life out in the wilderness. Look at this. All the trees. Hold on, guys.
What they're talking about?
Look at that.
See the triangle?
See that? Look at the massive trees.
Did you see that? There's mushrooms up there.
What?
Look up there. See that? What's that?
Those are leaves, not mushrooms.
I can't see what it's called.
All the flowers. If it sounds like me and him argue, we don't argue. This is how we talk to each other. But I swear we're family. We're not arguing. This is just how we talk. Sometimes he'll tell me I don't make sense. But hey, sometimes I gotta agree because I don't. But neither does he, so we're all good.
He's up there chatting.
Yep. Chatting away.
Look
Look at that.
There's swamp.
Oh yeah, that's dirty.
There's a little. Look at that. You got a little pathway up there.
Look at this, guys.
They put it right in the middle.
It's kind of cool how they use these trees though, and they like make paths for them and stuff. Look at all the mushrooms.
There's some gnarly. There's the other part. That's crazy. Almost there.
See, they make the little paths for us to walk, like through the trees and stuff. Look at that.
I'd be walking that way for a little bit. I'd be snake twice.
You can go down that way, but that just leads to the water. Look at this. Yeah, doesn't really bother me anymore. I've walked through so many of them. I don't think it matters. Sorry guys, gotta keep wiping my camera. We can go that way, off trail. But we're just gonna keep doing the path. This thing goes up, steep.
Too old for this, man.
Too old?
Yeah.
Whatever.
39.
Yeah, okay.
40, man.
Yeah, okay. Look at this. I thought it was, but it's just a regular hill, it looks like. There's a couple houses over there.
I don't know where we are.
I have no idea where we're at.
I think we already did this show there. Probably not.
I don't know.
Saw that.
I didn't even almost fall.
I don't think I could fit.
No, I think this is different.
Yeah,
I don't think we came this way.
I don't know, man.
No, this is different. For sure.
360.
Hope you guys enjoy these. But like we said, we do it for you guys, so make sure you guys like, subscribe, and share.
That's what we do, bro.
Hit that like button.
Like button, subscribe button, notifications are on so you know when we post.
Turn all notifications on.
Drop me some comments if got some good trails that y'all know.
Sorry, guys. Just trying to give you guys some content. So that's what I'm trying to do for you guys. Give you guys a little bit of content. All the mushrooms. Look at those. We can go down this little. Oh, never mind. It says trail closed. Yeah.
You wanna go down it?
Nah. It says trail closed. I'm good. Go ahead. Huh? Look at that.
That looks familiar.
Dude, we didn't even come over here.
Uh-huh.
No, we didn't.
Yes, we did.
No, we didn't. This is different. No. I'm sure we didn't.
I thought we did, yeah. Oh, no. Everything looks the same. Yeah, this is that steep part. Look, the trees over there.
It doesn't matter.
No. It's like we don't even know.
It is so cold out.
Cold.
But it's got a little warmer
Yeah,
since I started walking, so it's not too shabby.
not too warm, not too cold either. So. There's a little bipolar. 1 minute cold, 1 minute.
It is steep though. Check that out. Look at that drop. That's a steep hill. Ooh. Another steep one.
You go down there?
Yeah, go ahead. You first.
Walk straight. Yeah, there's that trail that I used to swing around.
We came from that way, so we're gonna go this way.
I'll tell you where we go.
But look at that.
Across the creek, right?
Like I said, I don't know how long this video is gonna be because I don't know how long this trail is, and I'm already at 32 minutes.
This is a little long video for y'all. Something like that.
I do remember that, so
Yeah, we're going back to where we were.
yeah. Which is fine because I think we've already filmed everything. I'm gonna go ahead and watch out for that big old puddle though. I do intend to walk fast sometimes.
Yeah, we always walk fast. I don't know. It's just a habit.
Well, it's just, I guess it's just how I walk.
We always walk fast. That's why videos are usually so short. This video
Well, they're not technically short, they're long.
20 minutes.
Oh, I almost fell. Yeah, yep. I almost went down.
I almost went down like a creek.
If you guys like more videos like this, just comment down in the comment section. But I mean, this is kind of what we do because, you know, exploring with Kenny. So this is me. If you don't know, now you know. I try to upload when I can. I work a lot, so I don't get a lot of free time. So I try and record when I can. Steep hill. And I'm gonna keep saying that because usually all the ones that we go to don't have steep hills that go all the way down. But hey, it's cool for us. Look at this. All the different trees and shapes. Got snake holes. So yeah, we already did come this way. So we're just, I guess, headed towards, back towards the front. Yeah, and they're wet, so I kind of don't want to fall. Look at them going up.
Yeah, those stairs are good here.
Back towards the river. Kind of creek, or whatever you want to call it. So, yeah, I know. So we'll go back up here.
Left or right?
We didn't never go right.
You're doing all this today, I guess.
I mean, I guess. I mean, there's nothing really else to do on Saturday. There's another bridge right here.
Definitely Sunday today.
Or Sunday, sorry. Sorry guys, got my days a little mixed up.
I'm saying, every time you see a bridge,
You could just go across the water right there.
nah, I want to take the bridge. You love the bridge.
Well, I guess this is gonna be a long video for you guys because I don't know how long I'm gonna be recording for, because we literally are here now. Oh my, look at that. Holy crap. Whoa. We could go that way, but I want to go up this. It's just for you guys. Let's get it. We could go that way, but I'm going to keep going this way. No, we never been on this side. All right, my back hurts. Oh, here's the car. So it is. So we did do that. Okay. Well, I guess this is the end because I did not know. So this is where I'm going to end the video. So until next time, peace.